Just your friendly neighborhood transgender medical provider here to say I did something funny, y'all. So, in short, I created an OnlyFans channel for our clinic, but it's not like that. No, no, stop. It's not like that. It's actually for consultations. Then micro consults, actually. And if you want to know more about it, you can go and watch the longer video that I'm going to make about this. I just wanted to do a quick short to let people know, yeah, we got an OnlyFans, but it's not that kind of OnlyFans. No, no. Get your mind out of the gutter, people. No, this is just going to be a way that people who are not our patients, who are out there who may have their own healthcare provider but can't communicate with them very well, or maybe they're DIY and they want the benefit of still being able to get a healthcare provider's opinion, but they don't know how. Anyway, we figured this is a good and anonymous way for them to be able to seek help with their care. Anyway, so watch the longer video that I'm going to put out right after this if you want to know more details about it. I think it's pretty cool and also pretty funny. So hopefully everyone else does. Oh well.